Namaste friends. Today we are going to talk about the Oppo F31 Pro plus 5G. Is this phone the right fit for you in the 35,000 rupees budget range? We'll dive into all the details, including performance, camera, battery, design, and whether you should buy it or if there are better options available. Let's begin. The Oppo F31 Pro plus 5G has a truly premium design. It comes with an IP66, IP68, IP69 waterproof rating, which makes it very durable. Additionally, its 360-degree armor body protects it from drops and scratches. The phone's weight and grip feel great. The 6.79-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate provides a very smooth experience. It's powered by a Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 processor, which is built on a 4nm process. Everything from gaming to multitasking runs very smoothly. With 12GB of RAM and support for an additional 12GB of virtual RAM, it's easy to keep multiple apps open at once. Heavy games like PUBG and Call of Duty run without any lag. Camera and battery. Speaking of the camera specs, the Oppo F31 Pro Plus features a 50MP main camera and a 2MP secondary camera. The front camera is 32 megapixels. In good lighting, photos are very sharp and clear. However, its low light performance is a bit behind some of its competitors. Video recording quality is also decent. This phone comes with a powerful 7000 mAh battery. This means the battery will last all day, even with heavy use. A standout feature is the 80W Super VOOC fast charging, which can charge the phone from 0 to 100% in about 61 minutes. If battery life is your top priority, this phone is an excellent choice. Software and pricing. The Oppo F31 Pro Plus 5G runs on Android 15 with ColorOS. The UI is clean and user-friendly, with many customization options. The IP rating provides protection from water and dust, and the security features are strong. Its price is 34,990 rupees. When you compare it, you'll find options like the Samsung Galaxy M34 5G and Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro 5G, which are cheaper. However, the Oppo F31 Pro Plus offers you a better battery, stronger durability and faster charging. Final verdict. If your budget is around 35,000 rupees and you want a long-lasting battery, a durable build and good performance, the Oppo F31 Pro Plus 5G is a great option. While the camera isn't the most high-end, it performs well for daily use. If you're looking for a slightly cheaper alternative, the Samsung Galaxy M34 5G and Redmi Note 13 Pro are also good choices. If you liked this video, please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Let us know in the comments which phone you'd like us to review in full detail next time. Thank you.